good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter. This is chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter is Light in the Night. And in the previous video lesson we have completed question answer, word meanings as well as a exercise related to adjective. So now in this video we will do reference to context. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, you will write down the heading, classwork, and then you will write down question. Answer the following with reference to context. Okay, so do you know the meaning of reference to context? So what is reference to context? Reference to context means some lines or a paragraph will be given from the chapter and some question from that line or from that paragraph will be asked from you and you have to answer it. So this is termed as what? This is termed as reference to context. Okay, so let's begin with reference to context. Now, the authorities realized the benefit they brought and took over the installation and maintenance of them. Okay, so as you know, what it has been said here that authority realize the benefit. So what benefit we are talking about? We are talking about the benefit of oil lamp. Okay, as you know, authorities has taken a step and they has enforced a law that every citizen has to burn a oil lamp outside their window. Okay, so first of all they have enforced this law and after some time they realize that it is necessary for everyone to install a street light and maintain a street light. Okay, so this is the meaning of these three lines. Now you have to answer the reference to context. So the first question which is asked from this reference to context is, what is meant by the authorities? So what do you mean by the authorities? Means what is the meaning of authorities? So authorities refers to the local governing bodies or government. Okay, means local governing bodies. As you know, for the protection of the society, for the protection of people, for the welfare of the people, there is a government. So the local governing bodies or government is known as what? Is known as authorities. Okay. Now come to question number 2. That is, what were the benefits of having street lamps? So now the question is, what were the benefits? Means now people were using street lamp. So what were the benefits of that? Why people were using street lamp? Okay, so the benefits of street lights meant people could go out at night and socialize, right? So what they have said here, that the benefit of street light means when street lights were installed on the street, it means that now people are free to go in the street whenever they wanted to go. They can go in night also and they can socialize also. Socialize means to meet with people, friends, relatives. Okay, so now it was easier for them to go outside in the night, in the street, under the moonlight, and they can go and they can meet people and they can socialize. Now, people could be entertained at night as well and business could be conducted too. So, now, people could be entertained. Entertained means, as you know, that they are going in moonlight, right? Moon is in the sky, there is no clouds in the sky, so it is what? It is an environment which is very peaceful. So they get entertained with this atmosphere, and they can also indulge in business. They can also do some business also, right? Now, this is next reference to context. There is no more going the rounds to trim by daylight, no more dribbling down of the oil on the hats and bonnet of ladies and gentlemen. When one feels in spirits, any low fellow can light a gas lamp. So, what is the meaning of this reference? There is no more going the rounds. Going the round means to do your own work is known as what? Going the round. Means now people are not having their work. Means first of all, what was happening? There were some lamp lighters, and what they have to do? They have to light the lamp in the street, right? And they have to trim the wicks also. They have to change the oil also. They have to do so many work, right? नहीं, उन्हें बहुत सारा काम करना पड़ता था, right? But now the scenario has changed. Now what happened? No more dribbling down of the oil. Dribbling means, I have told you, small drops of oil which is falling down. So now there was no dribbling down of the oil. Oil नहीं चूता था, कहाँ पे? On the heads and bonnets of ladies and gentlemen. When one feels in spirit, means now people were not feeling that good. Lamplighters were not feeling that good. Any low fellow means any person can light a gas lamp. Means now it was easier for any person to go and light a gas lamp, because it was not a rocket science to light a gas lamp. You can just go and you can just burn the gas lamp. But when we talk about oil lamp, in oil lamp, lamp lighters has to make so many efforts. They have to change the oil, they have to bear the smell also, they have to trim the wicks also, they have to take lot of care while using oil lamp, okay? But with the gas lamp, they have to do nothing, and any person can go and light a gas lamp. So this was the meaning of this reference to context. Now come to the questions related to this reference. Who said this? So who has said this? Now, a character in Charles Dickens' story, The Lamplighters, says this line. Who has said this? There was a character. Okay, where the character was? Character was in the Charles Dickens story, The Lamplighters, says these lines. So who have said this? Lamplighters have said these lines. Okay. Now come to the next reference, that is, next question. The three sections that are underlined are example of old-fashioned language. Discuss what each one means and write down your answer. Okay. So now these are the words which are underlined. That is going the rounds. Second one is when one feels in spirits, and the third one is any low fellow. So now we have to discuss the meaning of these three sentences. Okay. So let's begin. So the first word is that going the round. So what is the meaning of going the round? Going the round means going about doing one's job. Okay, means doing one's job means whenever you are doing your own job, your own work, that is known as going the round. Okay, for example, you are doing your studies, so this will be known as what? Going the round, because you are doing your own work. Okay. Second one is when one feels in spirit. So when one feels in low spirit, what does this mean? This means when someone is feeling a little sad and low. means whenever a person is feeling sad, a person is feeling low, he is not satisfied, he is not happy, then it will be known as when one feels in low spirit. As you know, lamplighters were feeling very bad. Why they were feeling very bad? Because now their work was nothing. Now oil lamp were not used in the society. Now people were using gas lamp, right? Now third one is any low fellow. So what is the meaning of any low fellow? Any low fellow means any ordinary any ordinary person without special skills. Means any low fellow means any person which is not having any skills, any technical skills. That person is known as what? Any low fellow. Means any person can go and light the gas lamp, right? Is there any knowledge required in lighting a gas lamp? I guess no. Okay. So this was all about the lesson. Hope you have understand the lesson properly. Thank you.